Hello everyone, Sanjana this side and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video, I am going to talk about forever freedom. Content of this video is going to be first we will talk about ingredients of forever freedom. After that, sales and certification of this product and what are the health benefits of this product, how to use it and what are the precautions to be taken while using it. I'll tell you all these things in detail in this video. So first of all, let's talk about its ingredients. It has 90% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel and it is orange flavored. Apart from that, there are three more things in it. First, glucosamine. Second, chondroitin sulfate. Third, methyl sulfonyl methane. Its taste is sure and it is totally gluten free. Okay. Apart from that, this product has got also many seals and certification which defines that this product is best. First seal is International Aloe Science Council seal of approval. This seal is given to the products of aloe vera only which have above 65% pure aloe vera gel and environment friendly. This seal is given after 300 to 400 quality tests. If any company fails even in one test, then they cannot give test for next 4 years. And since this seal was started, Forever Living Products achieves this seal every year. Okay. Next seal is gluten free. This seal is given to the Forever Freedom because of its quality and integrity. So this product has got these two seals and certifications. Okay. Now let's talk about health benefits of Forever Freedom. Forever Freedom has all the powerful benefits of Forever Aloe Vera Gel. Plus it helps you stay mobile. To know more about benefits of aloe vera gel, you can watch the video of aloe vera gel on this channel. Okay. Next benefit, healthy joints. Specifically, this product is made up for joint health because see, humans' energy start going down and joint problems start increasing after the age of 40. So this is the best product for joint care. Forever has the perfect addition of joint support ingredients to support healthy joints and your active lifestyle. Okay. Next, third benefit, it maintains natural energy levels plus promotes healthy digestive system. Forever Freedom has the fresh and regenerating taste of natural orange and helps absorb the nutrients of aloe vera. Okay. Next, glucosamine. It is the cellulose-like product which promotes cartilage and joint health. It eliminates the main cause of pain in our joints and keep them healthy. Next benefit, glucosamine works by stimulating the production of cartilage, resulting in joint repair. It has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in reducing swelling and pain in the knees. The chondroitin present in it prevents our bones from rubbing against each other. It also absorbs water and other fluids, which helps to keep the cartilage hydrated and healthy. It is best product in arthritis. Like you all know, arthritis is caused by the breakdown of cartilage. In today's time, you will see that every fifth person has joint problems like swelling or pain. Currently, 180 million patients in India are of arthritis. Okay, it is an incurable disease. See, if anyone had joint pain, then first thing that come into his mind is that he will go to doctor for checkup and for medicine, right? Doctor always says that you have to take medicines to get relief from the pain, and whenever you stop taking medicines, then the pain starts again because this is not a permanent solution. Medicines are just painkillers, not the permanent solution of this disease. Okay, but what does Forever Freedom do? It regenerates cartilage. The cartilage that was broken has been regenerated. Then your problem is gone, solved for permanent, right? See, now many persons have this question and this questions many times. Like if they consumes this product once in their life, then they get proper results. No, this is not a miracle. Okay, this is just a nutritional product. You have to use this product for 3 to 4 months at least for best results. Okay. Next, if I talk about next benefit, then methyl sulfonyl methane present in Forever Freedom, known as MSM also, helps in reducing joint and muscle pain in our body. Okay. Next, it helps people with joint degradation, degeneration to reduce pain in knees, waist, arms, and hips area. Okay. Helps in recovery after exercise by reducing muscle damage and stress. It also helps in reducing the symptoms of arthritis, thereby reducing pain and stiffness. Next benefit, it reduces possibility of joint breakdown with increasing age. It is the best product for athletes and it is beneficial for skin also because it has vitamin C. Forever Freedom helps in increasing immunity also. So these are the benefits of this product. Overall, this is an amazing product with so many health benefits because it's a nutritional product, not a medicine. So you can use it for yourself and also share with your family and friends also. Okay. See, this is a nutritional product which you have to use for longer time for proper results, as I already told you, right? Now let's talk about how to use Forever Freedom. I'll tell you 7 steps. First, drink Forever Freedom in the morning on an empty stomach without even brushing your teeth. Quantity 40 to 50 ml. It has to be taken in glass tumbler only. If you pour it in a steel glass or any other glass, then some of its properties get destroyed. So make sure that you are drinking it after pouring in the glass tumbler only. Okay. Do not drink Forever Freedom mixed with water even by mistake. After 15 to 20 minutes of drinking Forever Freedom, drink 1 to 2 glasses of lukewarm water. Eat food after 15 to 20 minutes of drinking water. For best results, drink half or 1 liter more water than you drink a day. You have to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water daily. You can also use it twice a day also. So use Forever Freedom in this manner. Okay. Now, what are the precautions of using Forever Freedom? First, don't drink directly from the bottle. Second, do refrigerate immediately after opening the bottle. Third, do not use if seal is broken. Fourth, and most important, do not recommend Forever Freedom to pregnant women because they do not need cleansing, and don't recommend to the lady who is breastfeeding to her child. Okay. If you have any doubts, then you can consult your doctor before using this product. Okay. If you have any query related to any product of Forever Living Product International like price or you want to use any product, then you can just fill the form given in the description of this video. I will definitely provide you proper information. So if you really like this information about Forever Freedom, then you can share this video to your teammates, friends and family, and you can subscribe to this channel for more products information and other information related to FLP. If you use this product before, then you can share your experience in the comment section. See you all in next video. Bye bye. Take care.